Hi, we're here at Effortlessly Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x20 equipment trailer with stand-up ramps. At the front we do have a heavy-duty jack as well as your safety chains and breakaway cable. There is a chain basket at the front of this trailer. Coming along to the side, you do have a step up as well as your D-rings and stake pockets. On the side of the trailer, there is a front passenger side tire mount. This trailer does have heavy duty fenders as well as two 6,000-pound axles. This trailer does have stand-up ramps that are secured with pin arm locks. This equipment trailer is a dovetail and comes with LED brake lights. This trailer does have a corrosion repair paint. This paint is weather resistant as well. Once again, this is a 7x20 dovetail equipment trailer with stand-up ramps and 6K axles. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.